I bought this clothes dryer to revolutionize our laundry. Previously we had used a collection of areas spread out in our garage. I wanted to shift to a tumble dryer exclusively, so it needed to be efficient. This heat pump closed circuit dryer has been excellent. Six-star energy rating. This is the lint filter. This pull-down cover houses the evaporator filter. Pulling on this handle withdraws the condensate tank for emptying. I need to stop the dryer as there's a zip clanking around a bit too much. Off with the key lock. There we go. It's got a lovely handy light. I just turned the item inside out. I put the key lock on to stop accidentally turning the machine on or off. I've got the wrinkle free setting on, so if I don't get back on time, the machine will gently turn over the clothes so they don't get too wrinkled. It's got quite a nice fridge-like sound, because that's exactly what is in there. A compressor. I'm using the everyday setting for this load. Here we are. This is an automatic drying cycle. Defaults to dryness level, but I've set the dry temp to medium, and I've also put it on wrinkle free mode. That'll keep it wrinkle free for a whole hour after the cycle is finished. Here we go, the cycle has now ended. Okay, I've just emptied the dryer, and let's take out the lint filter and see what we've collected. Oh, there's plenty of fluff there. Here we are. I've given it a good clean with my fingers. Snap it closed. Just slot it back in. There we are. This filter needs cleaning after every dry cycle. Go, and now to empty the condensate water. Here's the tank. There we go. Just empty into the sink. I'm doing this because the dryer isn't connected to a drain pipe. There we are. I could use this water in the boilers my model steam locos. It's pretty much pure water. Right, dry it off on the towel and slot it back in, and it's all ready to run another cycle now. Power off. Done. Here we are. I just thought we'd look at the evaporator filter. Unlike the water tank and the lint filter that need cleaning that need emptying or cleaning after each cycle, this needs to be cleaned after every 5 cycles. So we open the cover, twist to 90 degrees these 4 clamps, and then we pull this out, and there's the filter. There we go. A little bit of lint on there, and there's the evaporator inside the machine. Okay, here we are. I've cleaned the filter. Look, it's actually the condenser filter. This is a condensing clothes dryer after all. And these are the condenser elements. I give it a good clean up. Back in it goes. Tighten up the clamps. And close the cover for next time.